Two of the biggest school systems in the Triad have approved their budget requests. Winston-Salem, Forsyth County Schools and Guilford County Schools are asking for millions to improve schools and teacher pay. Now county commissioners have to approve. WFMY News 2's Amber Lake spoke with commissioners and the school systems about their budgets.
Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools says in the proposed budget, classified employees like office staff, bus drivers, maintenance workers, and anyone not required to be licensed by the state would be eligible for a salary increase. This would impact more than 3,000 employees in the district. Those employees could also then get a raise from the state because salaries are made up of both what the state pays and what local districts add on. The school system says there's a projected 5% increase for all employees expected in the new state budget. Superintendent Tricia McManus says this increase is much needed.
Paying them a livable wage is really important. And when you think about, $15 an hour salary, I know we just went to that as minimum wage, but these are people that have families and children and they're in important roles, yet they're not making wages that they're able to live on.
Now, the Guilford County Board of Education also finalized its budget request as well. The request is trying to give extra pay to the lowest paid employees. The school board ultimately approved a proposed $77 million investment in higher salaries. Teachers would also receive a pay bump. County Commissioner Chair Skip Austin says he supports a pay increase, but does not support a tax increase, which would come with this approved budget.
That would be the largest tax increase in the history of this county. So I don't think, again, that it was a serious ask, but at the same time, we're going to sit down with them in order to determine exactly where we can be, again, without a tax increase.
Guilford County Commissioners will hold a public hearing for the budget on June 1st and must approve a final local budget by July 1st. In Forsyth County, Commissioners will be presented with the new school budget tomorrow.
Amber, thank you. Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools is just one of 3 districts in the state to offer another way for teachers to get their license. The state just approved the program last week. The year-long accelerated program gives educators hands-on experience while completing their requirements. It specifically targets current teacher assistants, substitutes, and past and current district employees.